Welcome to Easy Tries channel. Let's try drawing an art with pastels in this video. I have got 12 assorted shades of skin tint pastel pencils and 20 shades of soft pastels. These are Camlin based products. It is very cheap and the quality is good as well. The good thing about pastels are the pigments of pastels will give a realistic view to your art. Pastels are soft. It is advisable to sharpen the edge using blades. I have taken 4 assorted shades of pastel pencils and 1 white pastel. For a realistic view, I am going to use toned grey shade. It will be interesting if you choose to draw from a photo. I have drawn the outline of the pigeon using a normal pencil. Select the light skin color and give mild strokes in the beak region. Darker skin shades to the nostrils and in the sides. Now use the white pastel pencil and give strokes of it on the nostril and in the upper region of beak. The strokes has to be a mixture of dark skin shade and the white shade. This is a clay rubber, a Faber-Castell brand. We can stitch these rubbers and make shapes to adjust the colors in the outline. Now take the black pastel pencil and give the strokes according to the shape of the eye. Give mild strokes for one sector of the eye. Mix of colors would give the exact reflection of the eye. The outline of the eye can be given a little darker shade of skin color. Now dark the outlines and color the nearby regions as well according to the outline. Give white stripes on the outline. Now we color the remaining face area. Use the pastel to make your drawing more bright. The pastels are powdery, so the color should be given as strokes along one side. It gives an exact feather-like look. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe.